And if the fracture displaces after close treatment, then obviously it is unstable. So if you have predicted according to Lafontaine's criteria that the fracture is likely to be unstable, then it may be preferable not to go for a fracture treatment modality like a plaster, but instead go for a more robust internal fixation as a treatment plan. Which brings us to the next question. What is an acceptable reduction? If we achieve less than 15 degrees of dorsal or less than 20 degrees of palmar tilt, with greater than 15 degrees of radial inclination, less than 5 millimeters of radial shortening, ulnar variance should be either negative or neutral, and the articular gap or step should be less than 1 millimeter. If we can manage to achieve these radiological parameters, then the outcome of distal radius fracture should be satisfactory. Treatment modalities are plenty and sometimes very confusing. The commonly accepted treatment modalities are manipulation under anesthesia and plaster of Paris cast, K-wire fixation, external fixation, or a combination of K-wires and external fixation, a volar plate fixation, a fragment-specific fixation, or in certain cases, an arthroscopy-assisted fixation. Before starting, as a judge, you should be very impartial and should take these following parameters into account. Speak to the patient. Understand the patient's functional demand. Consider the bone quality. Decide on whether any additional imaging like CT scanner, etc. is required. Do a resource check. Do you have all the resources required to treat that particular fracture? For example, a complete inventory of plates, etc. Do the finances justify the treatment method that you are planning to use? Do you have the required skill set to carry out the treatment plan that you have chosen? So before we start, it is also important to bear in mind the American Academy recommendations, which states that no particular method of fixation can be recommended over another. And actually, there is no level 1 clinical evidence suggesting a superior treatment modality for the treatment of distal